Hey YouTube, I'm so excited to be here this morning, giving you my first video. Woohoo! It's a quick, easy tutorial, and if you'd like to see how I do it, please stick around, like the video, comment, and subscribe for more. Alright, so this morning's video stars the lovely Aurora. We are going to the zoo today, so I wanted to show my morning routine for a quick and easy hairdo for the girls that's cute enough for a few photos, but not too much so that I won't go crazy taking it down if they get super messy while we're at the zoo. So we're starting with freshly washed hair from the night before. Actually, I just had a long takedown. They had a ton of braids in their hair. This is the summer, so we've been doing a lot of pool, a lot of park, a lot of all of those fun things for them. But that also means tired mommy because this sun will wear you out. So I've been keeping their hair in protective styles. So that being said, I did a takedown last night, and when I do the takedown, usually my nighttime routine intertwines and it really helps me out with my morning routine. So as you can see, it's already basically pre-parted for the style today. Although I did have to repart the front area because I thought I was going to go with a bang, but I'm going with a braid instead. So it's going pretty good, and it's actually pretty easy because it's already been detangled. Again, it was in the night routine. There goes my drama queen. But it helps me out in the morning because it helps me get the girls together and ready, and we're out the door quickly because we have already pre-positioned or determined where my parts will be for the next day. Okay, so as you saw with the braid and a little while ago, I have been using a ton of water. It's summertime. Our hair gets so dry. Any person that's natural knows that moisture is the key to any hairstyle and to any length retention with our hair. So moisture is big time. It's needed. So you'll see me using a lot of moisture in all of my videos. Actually, when we get to the winter time, I will show you some different methods that I use because obviously I don't want the girls to walk out the house with heads soaking wet because that means we're going to the doctor next day. But I do different things in the wintertime to retain moisture. But it's hard for you to notice or hard for you to really see because I have the same type of spray bottle. Maybe I'll change my spray bottles around and get a different color or something like that. But they are actually two different solutions. The first one is not really a solution. I do like the lock method, but the daytime routine, I actually modify it a little bit. The first spray bottle that you see me spraying here, that's water and an oil mixture that I like to create myself. So as we know, liquid, oil, cream or conditioner. And so I put my water and my oil, my first two steps in at the same time in the mornings to save a little time. And as you'll notice, this second bottle here, you see it's a little whiter and it's a little creamier. That's actually my cream. And in the mornings, again, because water is so key, I like to add my cream in the same bottle with my water. And so it eliminates a couple steps. It also keeps things a little neater, I think, and that way it helps me also gauge how much water and how much cream I'm putting in the hair. Again, I do about half water and half cream for the second step, and for my water and oil, I do maybe about a fourth of amount of oil to water. And that's basically it. Thanks for joining, and please subscribe for more videos.